In this video, we are going to configure VPN in Windows Server 2008 using a single LAN card. So first of all, this is my Windows Server R2 machine, Enterprise Edition, and AD and DHCP and DNS already installed. I have covered the video how to join a domain to a computer a year ago. You can search on my YouTube channel if you don't know how to install Active Directory or how to join computer to a domain. Now, to configure the VPN, we need a DHCP server that is already installed here. And we have a scope active. And now we need to install a role. Add roles, click on next. And here you need to go to network policies and access services. Sorry. Network policies and access service and click on next. And here choose routing and remote access services. On next and click on install. And we have a client computer that is already joined to a domain. Test PC is the name, techsolution.com is the domain. Let me disable the window firewall on both the sides. So it doesn't block the remote access connection. So it has been installed. Routing and remote access services. Let me disable the window firewall. Now we need to go to network policy and access services. And here is the routing and remote access service. Click on configure. Click on next. Click on custom configuration, the configuration page. Here you will select the VPN access. If you have only single LAN card. If you have two LAN card, then you need to select NAT also. We have only one LAN card, so we will choose this option. So now it is green and client is showing is 0. Before attempting on the client machine, we need to give some permissions to the user that is logged into the Windows 7 machine. That is my administrator account. So go to Active Directory, user and computers, and click on user and administrator. Right click and choose properties and go to the dial-in tab and click allow access. Click on OK. Now go to the client machine. Control panel, network and sharing center. And set up a new internet connection. Connect to a workplace. Click next. Use my internet connection VPN. And set up. I will set up a connection later. Here we have to type the IP address of my server is 10.0.0.1 and click on next. And username, type the administrator account and type the password. and click on create. Now if you see, here is VPN connection. Click on properties and go to security and choose point to point PPTP. Because if you connect without configuring this setting, you will not be able to connect to your remote access services server. Type the password. So now the VPN has been connected. Let's check whether it has assigned an IP address. So VPN server has the IP tag 10.0.0.11. Because it is a single host, and this is showing a broadcast address, and my PC has been assigned, Ethernet adapter has been assigned 10.0.0.2. So we can also verify it from server also. So you can see here the client is showing username. So this is the IP address that is assigned, and the connection is in established state. And if we check the DHCP server, click on address releases. So this is the IP address that has been used by the DHCP server, and the remote access services is using these IP addresses for their communication. So in this way, you can configure VPN using a single LAN card. Thanks for watching.